Welcome to 204 Esplanade. This is an incredible opportunity and probably one of the best houses to hit the market this summer. Esplanade is an amazing street. It's got a tree-lined median and it goes right down to T Street Beach. I counted it out, we're only 24 parcels away. That's an easy walk to one of San Clemente's favorite beach. And the house, it's pretty much a unicorn. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and coming in just over 2,500 square feet. I can't wait for you to see it. Check it out. All right, so why am I calling this house a unicorn? It's very simple. It's the perfect size. In Southwest San Clemente, so many of the homes are smaller or they're too big. This house, decades ago, started as a small 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom beach cottage, but about 15 years ago, the homeowners came through and did an awesome addition. That's why we have this amazing big open concept run of space with the family room behind me. Wait till you see the master bedroom. It's got vaulted ceilings. It's got an awesome master bathroom. So this home has been improved and it sits on a fantastic 7,200 square foot lot. That is a larger lot for Southwest San Clemente. Wrap that all into the fact that you can walk down to the beach in less than 5 minutes and we have a unicorn. Wait till you see how the rest of the house lays out, the bedrooms, the bathrooms. Come check it out. So the focal point of this home really is the kitchen. It's smack dab in the center of the house and it lives so well with the formal dining space. You can see this table is huge, easily fitting 6 people. And the space flows into the family room, it flows into the backyard so well. And when you move to the master bedroom wing, you can see right when you come through the door, vaulted ceilings, this enormous bay window. The master bathroom and the closet make up right around 50% of the total space, which is the perfect ratio. Having the master on this wing is really nice because if you have guests or if you have kids, they can all stay in the secondary bedrooms. You have 1, 2, 3 secondary bedrooms, one of them which has a half bath ensuite, and then a hallway bathroom with a shower, very beachy feel. It's got the perfect vibe for Southwest San Clemente, and that's why this house is so special. It's going to be the best deal of the summer in Southwest San Clemente. And how about this backyard? This is what 7,200 square feet gets you. An enormous run of flat space, big enough for a pool if you wanted it. There's this beautiful wood deck and a fireplace right in the center as the focal point. I can't tell you how important it is to have this indoor-outdoor space in San Clemente. We have a license plate frame that says best climate in the world. And in order for you to take advantage of that, you've got to have outside space. Look at all the mature landscaping. We're here at like 5:30 right now. The sun is pouring through. It's like a postcard, and it's one of the reasons you've got to get out here and check out this house before it's gone. Call me for a tour. I can't wait to see you here. Thanks for watching.